I have just announced in my latest video in the description on my main channel that this has now beaten the TGJ320 in terms of now this is my favourite phone. Now, the only thing I don't really like this is the duplicated ringtone. Now, this is ringtone number 1 and this is ringtone number 2. Now, they are both different instruments, but this one's a bit duller, but I still don't think 2 variants of it should be on there. Anyway, thank you for watching. That's just my opinion. It's quite ridiculous.